Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Listen, we all know that sometimes, actually most times, we need a little extra help. Whether you're trying to conquer calculus, finally master another language, or just trying to figure out what exactly is going on in your history textbook, online tutoring can be a lifesaver. But how do you pick the right platform? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the wild world of online tutoring platforms and figure out which one might be your new best friend. We'll be looking at some popular options and weighing their pros and cons, because let's be real, the struggle is real, but finding the right tutoring platform shouldn't be. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's embark on this journey to academic success together. But not literally buckle up, you should probably stay focused on the video for this one. First up, we've got Zoom. Now, you've probably used Zoom for a work meeting, virtual happy hour, or maybe even to chat with your grandma who lives across the country. But did you know it's also a contender in the online tutoring arena? Zoom's a solid choice for tutoring because it's super user-friendly, like even your grandma who still calls you to fix her printer could figure it out. It's free for those one-on-one sessions, and it's got all the bells and whistles you need: screen sharing, recording, even a whiteboard feature so you can scribble down equations together. However, Zoom does have its downsides. For one, the free version limits group calls to 40 minutes, which might not be ideal for longer tutoring sessions. Plus, Zoom can sometimes feel a little impersonal, it's missing that cozy one-on-one learning vibe. But hey, for a free and easy-to-use option, Zoom is definitely worth considering. Next up, we've got Google Meet. Now, if you're already swimming in the Google ecosystem, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, then Meet might just be your tutoring soulmate. It's seamlessly integrated with all things Google, so scheduling a session and sharing documents is a breeze. Plus, like Zoom, it's free for individual use and offers the essentials: screen sharing, recording, and even live captions. Because who doesn't love a good subtitle, right? And there's always a but, Meet's interface can be a bit, shall we say, minimalist. It lacks some of the interactive features you'll find on other platforms. Think of it like this. Zoom is the Swiss Army knife of online tutoring, while Meet is more like that trusty spatula you always use. It gets the job done, but it might not have all the fancy attachments. Skype. This brings back memories, doesn't it? Remember those awkward middle school video calls with your crush? Well, Skype has grown up a bit since then, and it's trying to make a name for itself in the tutoring world. It's free, it's reliable most of the time, and it's been around forever, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Skype also offers screen sharing, recording, and even live subtitles. But, and this is a big but, Skype can feel a bit clunky compared to the sleeker interfaces of Zoom and Meet. Plus, it's not as feature-rich, and let's be honest, it's not exactly the trendiest platform out there. It's like that old comfy sweater you have in the back of your closet. It still works, but you probably wouldn't wear it on a first date. Finally, let's talk about TutorMe. Now, unlike the other platforms we've discussed, TutorMe is specifically designed for online tutoring. It's not here to play games, folks. It's here to help you ace those exams. TutorMe offers on-demand tutoring so you can connect with a qualified tutor in seconds. No more frantically emailing back and forth trying to schedule a session. Plus, it has a virtual whiteboard, screen sharing, and session recording. The downside, TutorMe isn't free. It operates on a subscription-based model, so you'll need to shell out some cash to access its services. However, for that price, you get a platform that's laser-focused on providing a high-quality tutoring experience. It's like having a personal tutor on speed dial, but without the awkward small talk. So, there you have it. We've explored the wonderful world of online tutoring platforms, from the familiar faces like Zoom and Meet to the specialized haven of TutorMe. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, kind of like us, right? The key is to find the one that best fits your learning style, your budget, and your overall needs. Remember to test each platform before committing to find the best fit for your needs. Most offer free trials, so take advantage of those and see which one feels like the right fit. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.